I want to show you mine. Mine currently is on Canva. And this is something that I actually got from TikTok, and I used it and has been very successful. So on Canva, if you have an account, you can have, if you Google Canva BioLink, BioLink website. So I'm just going to write this in here. BioLink website. You Google that in Canva, so that's canva.com. I know that this is a lot of information. If you Google that, you can create your own Canva BioLink, and I'm going to show you mine now. So I'm just going to share it with you because I pulled it up so it would be all ready. Hopefully this is it. Okay, so this is mine, and it's quite small. I'll just pull it up so you can see it a bit bigger. And so this is, I created this, and the benefit of this is I can have as many links as I want. So I've got a link to our Facebook page, our YouTube account, and obviously our Instagram. I've got a come to our events section, a join our Facebook group, download our e-commerce checklist, read our New Zealand blogs, read our Australian blogs, because we've got 2 websites, listen to our podcast, and I've got a call to action, making a time to talk about marketing. So you can put whatever links and leads you want to put in there.